Imagine a world where the rich and famous are not exempt from the consequences of their actions. This is the story of Nikita Hand, an ordinary woman who found herself in an extraordinary situation. In the heart of winter, December 2018, Nikita Hand found herself at the center of a chilling incident in a Dublin hotel. She accused an Irish sports star, a man known worldwide for his prowess in the ring, Conor McGregor, of rape. A grave allegation indeed that sent shockwaves through the sporting world and beyond. But Conor McGregor wasn't the only man implicated in this case. Another man, James Lawrence, found himself sharing the spotlight of accusation. However, as the case unfolded, the scales of justice tipped in Lawrence's favor, finding him not guilty. This incident that took place in a hotel room on a cold December night was not just another headline for Nikita Hand, it was a terrifying reality. A moment that would etch itself into her memory, shaping her future in ways she could never have predicted. Little did Nikita know, this incident would change her life forever. Fast forward to the courtroom, a battleground where the truth is often elusive and justice is sought. This was the stage where the case against Irish sports star Conor McGregor played out. The prosecution presented a series of allegations, each one more disturbing than the last. Detailed were the heinous injuries sustained by Nikita Hand, the plaintiff in this case. Her physical pain was not the only torment she endured. The impact on her mental health and livelihood was also laid bare for the jury to consider. The court heard about the night of the incident, a December evening in a Dublin hotel that would forever change Hand's life. The prosecution painted a vivid picture of the trauma she experienced. Leaving no stone unturned, they delved into the aftermath, the long-term effects of the assault. Hand's life was turned upside down, her mental health severely impacted, her livelihood threatened, and her sense of safety forever shattered. On the other side of the courtroom, McGregor's defense team vehemently denied all allegations. They argued that the accusations were baseless, a mere attempt to tarnish the reputation of the sports star. They presented a narrative of innocence, attempting to sow seeds of doubt among the jury. McGregor himself, in the eye of this storm, remained steadfast in his denial. He expressed his intention to appeal any adverse verdict, signaling a firm belief in his innocence. The courtroom, a battleground where the truth is often elusive, became the field for this tug-of-war between guilt and innocence. As the trial progressed, the tension in the courtroom was palpable. The jury, the arbiters of truth in this case, were faced with a difficult task. They had to sift through the evidence, the testimonies, and the counter-arguments to arrive at a decision. The trial, which had started as a quest for justice, had now morphed into a high-stakes drama. The final act was the jury's verdict. The jury, having heard all the evidence, retired to deliberate, and the verdict, guilty. With the gavel's final strike, the verdict echoed throughout the courtroom. But what does this mean for those involved and society at large? The repercussions of this verdict were immediate and profound. Conor McGregor, a renowned sports star, was ordered to pay over €248,000 in damages to Nikita Hand. A substantial figure, yes, but can it truly compensate for the trauma inflicted? Can it erase the pain, the fear, the violation of trust? Those questions linger unanswered. Yet in this dark hour, a beacon of resilience emerged. Nikita Hand, the survivor at the heart of this case, expressed deep gratitude for the support she had received. Her strength and courage served as a testament to the power of standing up for oneself, a message that reverberated far beyond the courtroom walls. But what does this case signify on a broader scale? It sends a powerful message to celebrities, to those in the public eye. Fame and fortune do not exempt one from the law's reach. No matter how bright the spotlight shines upon an individual, it cannot mask the darkness of their transgressions. Moreover, this verdict has the potential to shape the perception of sexual assault cases in our society. It underscores the necessity for survivors to be heard, to be believed, and for justice to be served. It challenges the often dismissive attitude towards such cases, particularly when high-profile individuals are involved. The aftermath of this trial also serves to remind us of the ongoing battle against sexual violence. While we celebrate this victory, we must not lose sight of the countless victims who remain unheard, their stories untold. It's a call to action, a plea for change. In this respect, the case of Nikita Hand versus Conor McGregor is not just about one woman's fight for justice, it's about every survivor's fight for justice. It's a small victory for Nikita Hand, but a significant step towards justice for all. This case serves as a stark reminder. No matter how high one's star may rise, they are not above the law. It's a small victory for Nikita Hand, but a significant step towards justice for all.